Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on this 2016 Honda Accord. You're going to find the air filter box on the driver's side. All you really need to do is undo 3 clips, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. You can easily do this by your hand. Just unclip both on the front and you're going to undo the one in the back. It's very simple. And then you're going to want to grab the airbox, slide it forward, and take it out of the 2 hinges in the back. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it, and you're going to want to take the hinges off from these 2 points. So at another angle, grab the airbox, lift it up a little bit, and slide forward. And these are the 2 hinges here. This is as far as you need to take it off. You don't need to remove any band clamps or anything. You can reach in, grab the air filter, and remove it. You'll see the bottom side is a lot dirtier than the top. Put your filters side by side and just make sure you have the exact same one. Sometimes you can get the incorrect filter. This is the part number from Honda. I'll go ahead and put this in the description down below as well. So once you have confirmed that you do have the correct filter, we're going to go ahead and install this back into the airbox. Just lift up on the cover, slide in the new filter, and it's only going to go in one way. Just follow the shapes. Make sure it goes in nice and snug on all corners. It can get stuck on either side, so just move it around, jiggle it around, make sure it's perfectly seated down into its proper location. And you're going to want to make sure to take a look at all the corners of the seal. Make sure it's seated down properly, because it can be installed incorrectly. If you have it one way or the other, it may not sit flush, and then you won't be able to put in the top cover of the engine air filter. So the way we're going to install this cover is you're going to want to lift it up, push forward, and we're going to put the pins in first. These pins right here, they're going to go into the slots first. So kind of position them the way I am here. And now you're going to want to lift up from the front, grab the airbox, lift up, and then push down at the same time. So just like this, we're going to lift up and push in. And here you can see that the tabs went in perfectly fine. Now, once you get that installed correctly, the top part and the bottom part may not be sitting flush perfectly on top of each other. This is how it looks when it's not sitting perfectly on top of each other. All you got to do is grab it and move it down to the side, then move over to the back side of the engine cover, the air filter cover, and do the same. Snap in the cover clips, and then you're all set. Now, putting the airbox and aligning it is going to be the most difficult part of these repair. But just wiggle it around, move it around, get those top and bottom covers to match up perfectly from the right and to the left over here. And then you're going to be just fine. Just work on it, move it around, put your hand on it, just to align everything, and you'll be good to go. And the best part about this is you don't need any tools. So that's the end of the video. Hit that like button if you liked it. If you learned something, if it helped you save some money, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.